Over the weekend, there were reports circulating that the ICC has issued a warrant of arrest against Senator De La Rosa, and it was mentioned that the process to be observed in implementing this warrant of arrest is through extradition. This now was related or connected to the recent issuance of the Supreme Court on the rules on extradition. So we are just here this morning to address and clarify any misconception that may be had on the matter, and that under RA 9851, the state has two options available to it. That is extradition and surrender. So to close the door on one option and just focus entirely on extradition is limiting the state's discretion under Section 17 of RA 9851. I'd also like to inform everyone that the Supreme Court rules on extradition was actually brought about by the Department of Justice request for the Supreme Court to come up with uniform guidelines on how to resolve requests for extradition. This request was relayed to the Supreme Court sometime in the first or second quarter of 2023. And several meetings of a technical working group were conducted to deliberate and come up with the final draft of these rules on extradition. It just so happened that the rules came out at this point in time where all of these issues or controversy surrounding extradition is being discussed publicly. At this point in time, the state is seriously studying all options available to it. We're not closing the door on extradition or surrender per se. And until now, we have not seen nor received a copy of this ICC warrant of arrest. So, lahat to in the theory space pa lang tayo. What we in the Department of Justice just want to come out in the open and explain that there are two options available to the state under RA 9851, and that is extradition or surrender. Yet we have not seen nor received any copy of this ICC warrant of arrest. We are just reacting to what we heard over the weekend and what has been circulating online. As to the senators, to the good senator reaching out to us, also we have not received any. Nor I don't think he will be making such a representation considering na wala pa. There's nothing to speak of. No ICC warrant.